Your Honor, kahit na he is still facing cases, kahit na kumbiktado na yan, kahit na sabihin mo, siya ang pinakamasamang tao sa buong mundo, sa balat ng mundo, still, I believe na he has still his own piece of truth. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na pinakamasamang tao yan, hindi na natin pakipaniwalaan. Please, magtiwala lang kayo sa akin, and I will do my best na hindi tayo mapapahiya dito sa yung institusyon natin, hindi mapapahiya dahil sa ginagawa kong hearing.
Ayan guys, tingnan nyo, ipinapakita sa video na ito na gusto nang ihinto ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada ang hearing. Kasi parang gusto niya na, ito'y parang ano na, tawag nito, parang wala na kasi hindi daw totoo lahat ng mga sinasabi ni Jonathan Morales. Pero parang nagkainitan sila ni Senator Bato kasi parang naging one-sided na kasi si Senator Jinggoy. Sa first hearing pa lang mga kababayan ha, at saka nakikita na natin ang takbo ng kanyang tono, ng kanyang mga pagtatanong, hindi siya fair, bias talaga. Di ba? At saka ito na ng pangatlong hearing na ginawa ngayon, ganon pa rin ang ginawa ni Senator Jinggoy. So anong masasabi niyo diyan mga kababayan, di ba? Kayo na umusga sa video na in-upload namin. Panoorin natin yung video kung paano sinupalpal ni Senator Bato si Senator Jinggoy Estrada. Panoorin natin guys.
Itong our resource person present here today, that I am testing his credibility, does not have any evidence to present. So Mr. Chair, Mr. Senate President, Mr. President, if we continue to listen to the imagination or the alibis of this witness, it might, don't get me wrong, Mr. Chair, it might diminish the credibility of this committee. So that is my piece, Mr. President, Mr. Chair. If we continue to listen to all his alibis and all his lies, imagination, baka mawala yung kredibilidad ng hearing na ito. That's why we have to, sometimes, siguro, papalahanin ko rin yung sarili natin, we have to vet our resource person. Hindi katulad nito na paniniwalaan natin na marami palang kaso.
Yes, Your Honor, I fully agree with you. I fully agree with you. As I've said, meron akong pinaniwalaan sa kanya sinasabi, meron din akong hindi pinapaniwalaan. Kaya nga tayo nag-hearing dito, para nga i-validate natin yung mga pinagsasabi niya. Yun lang po sa akin. I want to hear everyone. Wala po akong sabihin na magpagamit kung anong meron siyang agenda. Wala po. At rest assured na hindi madidiminish yung ating yung ating reputasyon just because of entertaining Agent Jonathan Morales. For all we know, Mr. President, Your Honor, kahit na he is still facing cases, kahit na kumbiktado na yan, kahit na sabihin mo, siya ang pinakamasamang tao sa buong mundo, sa balat ng mundo, still, I believe na he has still his own piece of truth. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na pinakamasamang tao yan, hindi na natin pakipaniwalaan. How unfair can we be to the people kung hindi natin siya paniwalaan, kahit na masama siyang tao. Kaya, that's the purpose of this hearing, to hear them, to listen to them. And it's up for us to believe. Whether we believe on him or not, then same goes true with all the resource person. Ganoon po ang ating treatment dapat. Basta ako, I am just giving you the assurance as you're my vice chairman of this committee and including the Senate President na please magtiwala lang kayo sa akin, and I will do my best na hindi tayo mapapahiya dito sa yung institusyon natin, hindi mapapahiya dahil sa ginagawa kong hearing. That's all. Sana
Yeah,
maintindihan.
Mr. Chair, I believe in you. I believe in you.
Thank you,
I
thank you,
trust
thank you.
you.
Thank you.
I think majority of our colleagues trust you.
Thank you, thank you.
Wala akong sinasabi na bias ka. No. We have trust. We have full trust and confidence in you, Mr. Chair. What I'm saying, the reason why I gave that particular statement, that it might diminish the credibility of this committee because of the lies and the imagination of this resource person, because I have repeatedly ask question if he has evidence or he has evidence to present or to provide this committee. Wala ho talaga siyang ebidensya maipakita. At yung tinatanong ko lagi sa kanya, yung second question ko sa kanya kanina, which I asked before during the second hearing, kung sino yung confidential informant niya, sinabi niya, hindi niya matandaan. So how can we believe in this kind of with this kind of resource person na wala naman talaga siyang pirepresentang hard proof evidence dito sa committee nito? We are here to ferret out the truth, to know the truth and nothing but the truth. Yun lang naman, and in aid of legislation. Yun lang naman talagang gugustuhin natin. Pero if you have this kind of resource person who are spreading lies and intrigues, that is not acceptable, Mr. President, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Senator Jinggoy.
So ayun, kita nyo na guys ha. Comment down below para malaman natin kung ano yung mga opinion din ninyo. Maraming salamat mga kababayan. MSB TV.